because we're about to begin. No stress, just an easy and awesome method. Let's go. To create your channel on YouTube, the first and most important step is to create a Google account. Without a Google account, you can't create a channel on YouTube, upload videos, or access many of YouTube's amazing features. If you already use Gmail, then good news. You already have a Google account and you're ready to create a YouTube channel right away. But if you don't have a Google account, creating a channel or uploading videos on YouTube isn't possible. Without a Google account, you can't be part of the YouTube community. So if you haven't created a Google account yet, don't delay. Go to Google's website right away, fill out the simple form, and create your account. This process is very easy and fast. Remember, a Google account is your digital passport, which gives you the chance to enter the world of YouTube and show your creative talents to everyone. Google account ready. Now go to youtube.com, click Sign in the top right corner, and log in with your Google account. Get logged in because now we're going to become creators. After logging in, click on your profile icon and select Create a Channel from the drop-down. This one click makes you an official creator. Don't be scared, the process is simple. Just keep following along. Now think of a name for your channel, catchy, unique, and related to your content. Put up a profile picture, your photo, or a creative logo that represents you. Both the name and photo will become your identity, so choose the best. Channel created. Now click on Customize Channel. Add a banner image, write about your channel in the About section, and add social links. All these things give your channel a professional look. Click on the Create button at the top, select Upload Video, and upload your video file. Don't forget to add a title, description, tags, and an attractive thumbnail. Upload your first video with full energy. This is your big moment. Creating the channel was easy. Now the real game is making quality content. Always maintain good audio-video quality and create valuable content. Regular uploads impress both the audience and YouTube. When you provide value, people will subscribe and become loyal fans. Now you've learned everything. Creating a Google account, logging in, and starting your online journey. Now you have everything you need to become a successful YouTuber. Channel creation, profile customization, and setting up your branding. You've learned all of this. Now you can bring your identity to the world. Uploading videos, adding thumbnails and descriptions. All of this is in your hands. Now it's time to take action. Upload your first video and start your journey. Make your dreams a reality. Let your voice reach the world. Tell your story, share your ideas, and build your community. Beginnings might be small, but with hard work and dedication, success is certain. Learn something new every day, become better, and never give up. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your support will help this journey move forward. Keep creating and build your own world.